Hello guys, Malo here on IQ Options. This is a pre-recorded video so that we don't waste each other's time. So here I don't use any indicators. We only use price and the level and the candlesticks. So three things. I never change strategy. Sometimes when I look at the traders out there, I'll always wonder why every time when they post a video, they will come with a new strategy. I mean, strategy is something that is very, very serious. It takes time to develop it. In fact, it can even take years. But some traders, they seem to have new strategy almost every time when they are posting a new video. I wonder how they do that. Here, I'm not here to change anything. If you can look, please, if you have not, the first video is the follow up and I continued from there. I only use the price, the level, and the candlesticks. That's all. Use your price action, know your price action, know how the market, in other words, moves. Okay. And as you go deeper with that, it will also take you to, of which I think the same thing to smart money concept. I think the same thing. It's all about the price. But I'm not using any indicators here. You don't need indicators, actually. I've used a lot of indicators. They never worked for me. Yes, indicators, they don't work. They seem as if they work. All they are following the price. All those indicators, they are just coming after the price. So yeah. Anyway, we have taken a trade. The first trade, I'll show you my results. Yeah, so this is the first trade I think we're going to lose since it is pre-recorded. I was using that resistance. Not actually, I used this support. I thought that candle was coming weaker, but I noticed that I was in a hurry. Okay, I had to give it time since it is almost a narrow to tight space between the resistance and the support. So I think that's how I lost. Now the sellers are coming pushing down, but look what they've done here. They did not break that level of which that is going to backfire. Okay, I think this is going to be our second loss. I saw it that, but I thought, man, these guys are pushing so strong, so why don't I follow them? But I realized that they couldn't cross that extreme support. This is extreme level, extreme support. So it was strong for sellers, okay? So because of that, I noticed after I've lost the two trades, I noticed that no, these guys, they're actually now pulling back here. So I need to stand by and take a trade as soon that candle is finished. But that candle needs to be a buyer, okay? Something like a pin bar. Okay, then that's where I quickly took about 2 to 3 trades here because this is an extreme. Okay, in extreme level you can only trade 1 to 2. Actually 1 is enough. Then after that the market can continue. In extremes, normal, that's where the market will give a slightly reverse, sometimes even the whole market will reverse from the extreme because it is a strong support. It is where some they call it a money spot. A lot of stop losses are here. A lot of pending trades are here. So there's a lot of liquidity here. So obvious the market will kind of react and push more up if the sellers, they are not strong to push that down, to push down that liquidity. Okay, so we have won this nicely without a problem. Extreme. You should know about them. They're very, very powerful. Okay, because normal, that's where the market will always reverse, of which that will give you an opportunity. So here, what happened here is the market broke this trend level. Okay, it is a reversal, but now the market was still retesting there. The problem I think that I'm going to face it here is that It is always a challenge when you are trading these long candlesticks. You always need to wait for a dust to settle a bit, for a market to come to a normal mode or normal move, if I may call it that way. If the candle is still long, you should wait until the candle become normal. Okay, we got a normal move. Okay, because if candles are too long, it means there's a lot of strong news, sometimes even a noise. Okay, so yeah. So what happened here? I was taking this trade because of I thought this was a retest from the level. After I waited for confirmation, that blew by a candle and it was so strong, it became an engulfing. Then I thought to myself, why not? Why would not the market go up? And unfortunately, it is what it is. That's the market for you. So we never control it. You may have a perfect strategy, but remember there are a lot of things that are affecting the market out there. For example, today it is the 4th of August. It is Friday. Yes, I did take my trade while the market is just open, I think about an hour ago. So those are the things that sometimes they can affect the market, okay, especially when it is Friday. And this is GBP, okay. So sometimes kind of weak when it comes to binary option. Hence, you need to wait for that overlapping, Euro USD session with GBP. Yeah, that one, it is so powerful. Market candle, they are fast and strong. Your strategy fits well because the markets, they are responsive. Yeah, sometimes the candle are slow, they never respect the rules and all of that. But hey, if it is the market, we still need to trade it at the end of the day. All right. So you must always know these problems so that you understand how to avoid them. Okay. So yeah. So now I'm using this resistance. Yeah, this is a strong resistance. I can see the sellers that want to push down, but they are struggling. Okay, and then we are going to wait and see how this battle is going to end up. Otherwise, there is a strong resistance here. This is also a strong support, and these two candlesticks, they're so weak to pull the market up. But unfortunately, we also have lost this trade. All right, okay. So I think we have lost about 3 times or 4 times. Okay, here we are. This is an opportunity. Whenever I see a nice opportunity, then I go harder. Okay, as you can see now, there is a strong candle next to those two weak candle. Weak candle are very strong. Okay, so because of that, then I've decided to take a trade there. Okay, because of these two. In fact, there are three. The other one, the sellers are strong, and followed by these two weak candle, rejected candle. It means here indeed, and another thing is that we are following the trend, so that can give us an opportunity to bring the market down, right? We are waiting. Yes, we have did not lose that, nor we won that, so it's fine. We are going to wait. The sellers are still struggling to push the market up, so there is a lot of opportunity of going more down. Okay, let's see how this candle is going to react, then I can take a trade. Okay, yes, this is a nice rejection. Okay, because of that, let me just maybe take another one so that we can okay, yeah, I think I have taken 2 trades there. There's a 5 minutes, and there's also 1 minute because of that opportunity that I saw there. All right. If I see an opportunity, I come harder, guys. This is your binary. Things can be difficult here, but when you stick to your strategy, okay, let me take another one as soon that one was finished, okay, because it's a nice breakout. And these two candles, in fact 3 of them, they shown a serious weakness, and it is a strong resistance and a breakout, so a candle should go more down than that. Okay, so I have taken about $50, I think. Like I said, if there's an opportunity, I come harder. Okay, if the opportunity is clear, and remember this is also a downtrend, so yeah. Okay, we have just won the first one. Now we have won another 2 trades, so that will give us a nice profit for the day. Okay, so yeah, we have won this. I'm going to show you my results soon, but please guys, don't forget to subscribe, please. Okay, let me change and see what I can take here. I took GPY. Yes, GPY, USD, GPY. Let's see what they have there. Yes, here is, well, we're going to take a trade here because of these buyers candlesticks. You know, these first 3 on top, these are weak candlesticks, so they were they were engulfed by this big candle. So here the indication is, the signal is the market should go more down, okay, because of that. Like I said last time, that these long candlesticks are very dangerous, so you must be careful when you are trading after this long candle. Otherwise, if you don't have experience, you better do not trade after these long candlesticks. Okay, yeah. So please don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, to comment. We are still following the same thing here. I'm going to repeat this 1,000 times until you see that there's no magic about this. It's all about the price, your level, and your candlestick. That's all. Don't complicate it, guys. Yeah, keep your chart clean, keep the candle clean, so that you know what you are doing. Okay, so we have won that nicely. I think this should be the last trade. Yes, let's put our level here. Yes, then after this I might take a trade. You remember the extreme, how powerful they are. So I waited here to show me some weaknesses. Yes, the buyers have become stronger, so because of that we'll take a trade. The first candle here is weak, and you can see here the sellers try to, what was the word, to fool us as if the market is continuing. If you don't understand the extreme, you can sell here. Yet the market was not selling, it was just fooling you. Okay, but you had to wait for confirmation. The confirmation was these buyers, they came to market. Then I saw that the buyers were there. This is your extreme from here. From here, here's your weak seller. This was just these were following us. As soon as I saw that there were buyers in, then I did not hesitate because of the extreme. So that's why I took that. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. I think we're done here. Here is your results. Yes, it was tough, but we tried. We are in profit.